I do not want to be riding that bike. And we got our 07 Yamaha R1. Throttle being super heavy and sticky. Suspension literally being non-existent. The brakes not operating as they should. No feedback, it just vibrates. Super heavy to turn the bike. Very unresponsive. Very dangerous every time we hit a bump. And we got no ABS traction control of any sorts. 180 horsepower. You won't believe it.
No!
It's so old. The shifter broke off. No more shifter. That's the shifter.
No.
But it didn't even like break normally. It literally snapped. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just manually put it to fourth with my hand and then just ride fourth gear. At least we'll get a ride out of it. What do you think?
I don't know, man. What do you, I mean, like...
I'm okay. Because I'm going to shift and I'm like, where is the shifter?
No fucking way, bro.
Pull the clutch. That's down. Okay, that's 2. And let's roll it back a little bit. I already had like 6 different issues. Now it's added to the 7. Hello, sexy motherfucker. What you guys waiting for?
Battery.
What battery?
Dead.
Oh, it died? You can't jump start it?
Right here, probably.
Yeah, just push it. Push it, second gear. Let it go.
We tried that earlier. It wasn't close to popping.
Fuck.
We're gonna try it again. We had drummer cables down there with the fire guys, but then we're gonna let it sit for a second and see.
Okay.
But if not, we'll pop it down here.
Okay. All right, gents, we're gonna head out. Terrifying, fucking terrifying. The shifter broke, so I'm stuck in a single gear. Wish you guys luck. We're gonna head out, okay?
Likewise. See you, man.
I do not want to be riding that bike.
That bike?
Yeah.
Wait.
Huh?
Which one?
That one.
Oh, I know.
Dude.
Fuck, dude.
Couple of the bumps mid-corner ejected me off the seat.
You can see it.
Like, it's terrifying. Did you guys figure it out?
Yeah, we pushed him down and he got home.
Nice, heck yeah.
You?
I made it, no close calls, no crashes. But holy shit, it's a lot more terrifying than I thought. Fuck this, I'm never sitting on it again.
Not enough technology for you?
No. Like the throttle is heavy and sticky. The alignment for the handlebars are messed up. The suspension is non-existent. Front brakes don't work. It's terrifying. Oh, and then the shifter broke on the way up. So yeah, if it was working, if the bike was working properly, cool. Who gives a fuck? But it's not working, so it's terrifying. Huh?
Frankenstein bike.
Yeah, literally. I'll see ya.